Maths, three-dimensional geometry. So three-dimensional geometry, we know that very familiar. Line and what? Plane. Line and plane is very important role here. Now we are going to, for example, one line, one plane. What is the angle between the one line and one plane? Suppose what is the coplanar of the three planes? The different kind of situation present in this topic. The first problems, now I write down. The projection of vector on the three coordinates three coordinate axis are 6 comma minus 3 comma and 2 respectively. The direction of cosine of the vectors are the direction of cosines of the vectors. The direction of cosines of the vectors. The projection of vector on the three coordinates axis are 6 comma minus 3 and 2 respectively. Then the direction of cosine of the vectors. The option, first option 6 comma minus 3 comma 2, and B option 6 divided by 5 and minus 3 divided by 5 comma 2 divided by 5, and C option 6 divided by 7 minus 3 divided by 7 comma 2 divided by 7, and D option minus 6 divided by 7 minus 3 divided by 7 comma 2 divided by 7. That is what option. Once again I read the questions. The projection of the vector on the three coordinates axis are 6 comma minus 3 and 2 respectively. The direction of cosine of the vectors. Here the x2 minus x1 equal to 6, y2 minus y1 equal to minus 3, z2 minus z1 equal to 2. Because 3 present here. 6 minus 3 2. We know that the root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. What is x2 minus x1? 6. What is y2 minus y1? Minus 3. What is z2 minus z1? 2. So we know that the root of 6 square plus minus 3 whole square plus 2 square. What is the 6 square? The 6 square equal to 36 plus 9 plus 4 root of 49, you take outside 7. The direction of cosine of vectors, the direction of cosines of vectors, the direction of cosines of vectors, the first one 6 divided by 7, and second one minus 3 divided by 2, and third one 2 divided by 7. 2 divided by 7. Because here the three coordinates, what are the coordinates? x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus what? z1. So the root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. We compare the given three coordinates. The x2 minus x1 equal to 6, y2 minus y1 is equal to minus 3, z2 minus z1 equal to 2. So we are getting the answer 7. So next we want to direction of cosines. The 6 divided by 7 minus 3 divided by 7, 2 divided by 7. That is correct answer. This is which option present in the problem? In D option. No. C option. The C option only 6 divided by 7, minus 3 divided by 7, 2 divided by 7. Very appropriate answer in this problem, because here three coordinates given here. X2 minus x1 equal to 6, y2 minus y1 equal to what? Minus 3, z2 minus z2 equal to what? 2. We are getting the answer root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Therefore we are getting answer in finally 7. Therefore we write the direction of cosine in the three coordinates. What is the three coordinates? 6 divided by 7, minus 3 divided by 7, 2 divided by 7. Then the next problem, two systems of rectangular axis have the same origin. In the plane cuts them at distance A, B, C, and A prime, B prime, C prime from the origin. Then the first option 1 by A square plus 1 by B square plus 1 by C square plus 1 by A prime square plus 1 by B prime square plus 1 by C prime square equal to zeros. The next option 1 by A square plus 1 by B square plus 1 by c square, the 1 by a square, 1 by b square, 1 by c squared equal to what? 0. On C option, 1 by a square, 1 by b square, 1 by c square, plus 1 by a square minus 1 by b square minus 1 by c squared equal to zeros. The option D, the 1 by a square, 1 by b square, 1 by c square, 1 by a prime square minus 1 by b prime square minus 1 by c prime square equal to zeros. Equal to what? Zeros. I read this problem. Two system of rectangular axis have the same origin in the plane, cuts them at distance a comma b comma c and a prime b prime c prime from the origin, then what? The first option should be this is one, second, third and fourth. We know that the x by a square plus y by b square plus z by c squared equal to 1. On same thing, x by a prime square plus y by b prime square plus z by c prime square equal to 1. Equal to what? 1. So, and then the 1 by root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square, 1 by c square, 1 by root of 1 by a prime square, 1 by b prime square, 1 by c prime square. And then the root of the 1 by a square, 1 by b square, 1 by c square equal to root of 1 by a prime square, 1 by b prime square plus 1 by c prime square. In both sides, the present of square root to cancel to each other, and then 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square, the 1 by a prime square plus 1 by b prime square, 1 by c prime square. The 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square, the 1 by a prime square, the 1 by b prime square, the 1 by c prime square equal to zeros. The two system of rectangular axis have the same origin in the plane, cuts them at distance a comma b comma c and a prime b prime c prime from the origin, then 1 by a square plus 1 by b square, 1 by c square, 1 by d square, 1 by b prime square, 1 by c prime square is equal to zeros. The correct answer should be in D option. The 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square minus 1 by a prime square minus 1 by b prime square minus 1 by c prime square equal to what? Zeros. We know that the x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. The 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c, that is called intercepts. And same thing, the 1 by a prime, the 1 by b prime, the 1 by c prime equal to what? 1. So very important. And then the 1 by root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square equivalent to what? The 1 by root of 1 a square plus 1 by b prime square plus 1 by c prime square. The root of 1 a square plus 1 by b square 1 by c square equal to the root of 1 by a prime square plus b prime square plus c prime square. The squaring both sides to cancel to each other. The 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square minus 1 by a prime square minus 1 by b prime square minus 1 by c prime square equal to 0. That is the correct answer of the option D. The next problem. The next problem, the angle between the lines. Third problem, angle between the lines. X minus 1 divided by 2, y minus 2 divided by 1, and z plus 3 divided by minus 2, and the plane x plus y plus 4 equal to zeros. 4 equal to zeros. Yes. The angle between the lines x minus 1 divided by 2, the y minus 2 divided by 1, z plus 3 divided by minus 2. The plane x plus y plus 4 equal to 0 is a equal to 0 degree, b equal to 30 degree, c equal to 45 degree, d equal to 90 degree. We know that in this problem, the angle between the line, the plane, and x minus x1 divided by a equal to y minus y1 divided by b, the z minus z1 divided by c, and line the a1x plus b1y plus c1z d equal to zeros. D equal to what? Zeros. So cos 90 minus theta equivalent to A1, B1, C1 root of A squared B squared plus C squared A1 squared B1 squared plus C1 squared. So and then, so what? The line angle between the line and plane. I write the plane, the x minus x1 by a is equivalent to y minus y1 divided by b is equivalent to z minus z1 divided by c, and then line a1x plus b1y plus c1z by d equal to zeros. The cos 90 minus theta equivalent a1 plus b1 plus c1 divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square in the present of plane, root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 squared in terms of line. What is the given line and plane? The plane is nothing but x minus x1 divided by 2 equivalent to y minus 2 divided by 1 y minus t divided by 2 y minus 2 divided by 1 z plus 3 divided by minus 2 z plus 3 divided by minus 2. This is given plane. We want to line x plus y plus 4 equal to zeros. X plus y plus 4 equal to zeros. X plus y plus 4 equal to 0. Here the 2 1 minus 2 from the plane 2 squared plus 1 squared minus 2 whole square equivalent to 4 plus 1 plus 4 equal to root 9 equal to 3. And same thing from the line 1 square plus 1 square plus 0 square equivalent to what? Equivalent to root 2. Now write direction of cosines. Two by 3, 1 by 3 minus 2 divided by 3 from the plane, because 2 1 minus 2 3 3 3, and also from line 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2. Here z should be 0. Z should be 0. Is that here 0? Therefore the z term should be 0, or z coordinate should be 0. Here present only for x coordinates and y coordinates from the line, but the plane all three coordinates present. The 2 divided by 3, comma 1 divided by 3, comma minus 2 divided by 3. And then the cos the 90 minus theta, the equivalent. The cos what? 90 minus theta. The A1, the plus B1, plus C1, divided by root 3 into root 2. Root 3 and what? Root 2. Or otherwise, A1 divided by root 6 plus B1 divided by root 6 plus C1 divided by root 6. Root 6. No, it's wrong. So only 3 root 2, 3 root 2, 3 root 2. Here A1 watch. So 2, 1. 2 into 1 divided by 3 root 2. Plus B1 what? 1 and 1. 1 into 1 what? 3 root 2. Plus C1 divided by what? 0. Therefore, 2 divided by 3 root 2 plus 1 divided by 3 root 2. So that 3 divided by 3 root 2. And then cos 90 minus theta, the 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. The cos 90 minus theta, which quadrant? The first quadrant. The first quadrant, all are positive. Sine positive, cos positive, tan positive, cosecant positive, secant positive, cot positive. But one thing understand, the 90 is nothing but even number. The 90 is nothing but what? Even number. To delete the 0, we see the 9, it is odd number. That kind of situation, cos converted into sine, sine converted into cos reciprocity. So that the cos 90 minus theta, sine theta. So sine theta equal to what? 1 by root 2. Where is it? Sine 1 by root 2, sine 45. Sine 45 degree. Therefore, sine cancel. Theta equal to what? 45 degree. Once again, read the problem. The angle between the lines x minus 1 divided by 2 equal to y minus 2 divided by 1, z plus 3 divided by minus 2, and the plane x plus y plus 4 equal to 0 is the option 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree. The angle between the plane x minus x1 divided by a equal to y minus y1 divided by b is equal to z minus z1 divided by c. That is called what? Plane. In below this one line, the a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d equal to zeros. So the angle between the plane and the line, the cos 90 minus theta, the a1 plus b1 plus c1, the root of a square plus b square plus c square, the root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square. The first thing, 2, 1, minus 2. That is called what? ABC. X plus y plus 4 equal to 0. That is what? A1x compared to A1x plus B1y plus C1Z plus D1 equal to 0. Here A, here B, here C. The A equivalent to what? 2. The B equivalent to what? 1. C equivalent to what? Minus 2. That is called plane. A equal to 2, P equal to 1, C equal to minus 2. And then to compare line. To compare the line x plus y plus 4 equal to 0, A1x plus B1y plus C1Z plus C1 equal to 0. X plus y plus 4 equal to 0. The root of 2 square plus 1 square minus 2 whole square. Therefore, root 9 equal to 3. In same thing, to line root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 0 square equal to root 2. And then write direction of cosines. 2 divided by 3, 1 divided by 3, minus 2 divided by 3 in terms of plane. And also line 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 0. We now understand here the standard form of the link between one plane and line. Cos 90 minus theta is equivalent to what? A1 plus B1 plus C1 divided by root of A square plus B square plus C square and or int root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. Already you can find out root of A square plus B square plus C square is equivalent to what? 3. Not a root 3. And root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square root 2. Now write A1 plus B1 plus C1 3 root 2, 3 root 2, 3 root 2. Here A1 2 into 1, B1 1 into 1, C1 0. Therefore 2 divided by 3 root 2 plus 1 divided by 3 root 2. In the denominator term should be common. To take LCM, 3 divided by 3 root 2. And then cos 90 minus theta equal to 1 by root 2. The cos 90 minus theta what? Sin theta. The cos 90 minus theta in first quadrant, the first quadrant all function or the trigonometry function should be positive. But one thing understand here, the 90 even number, odd number, even number. To take remove it 0, 9 only odd number. So cos 90 sin theta, therefore sin theta equal to 1 by root 2. In the trigonometry tables, the 1 by root 2 in terms of sin theta, sin 45. So the 1 by root 2 is equalized sin 45. Sin cancel to each other. Theta equal to what? 45. The next problems. The next problem, the angle between the angle between the line x equal to y minus 1 divided by 2, z minus 3 divided by lambda, and the plane x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 4 is cos inverse root divided by 14, then lambda is equal to Here option A 3 by 2, option B 2 divided by 5, option C 5 divided by 3, option D and 2 divided by 3. Once again, the angle between the line x equal to y minus 1 divided by 2 equal to z minus 3 divided by lambda, and the plane x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 4. Equal to what? 4. Here the cos inverse root of 5 divided by 14. Then lambda is equal to what? The lambda A equal to 3 by 2, B equal to 2 divided by 5, and C equal to 5 by 3, and D equal to what? 2 by 3. How to write the line? How to write the line? The line should be R equal to A plus lambda n. R equal to A plus what? Lambda B. It is called what? Generally to write the line. And then what is the plane? The plane should be right R dot n equal to D. The plane R dot n equal to what? D. Therefore, the sin theta equal to B dot n divided by modulus B into modulus n. The line should be R equal to A plus lambda B. The plane should be R dot n equal to D. Sin theta equal to B dot n divided by modulus B modulus n. Modulus B modulus n. Once again, the angle between the line x equal to y minus 1 divided by 2 or x divided by 1 is equal to z minus 3 divided by lambda, and the plane x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 4 is cos inverse root of 5 divided by 14. Then lambda is equal to 3 by 2, 2 divided by 5, 5 divided by 3, 2 divided by 3. In generally, the line should be write down R equal to A plus lambda B. The plane should be write down R dot n equal to D. The sin theta B dot n divided by modulus B into modulus n. Modulus B into modulus n. Here from the line I cap plus 2j cap plus lambda. From the plane I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. I cap plus 2j cap plus 3j cap, k cap. To understand, from the line I cap plus 2j cap plus lambda k cap, and then I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap from the plane. The first one B dot n. The B dot n I cap plus 2j cap plus lambda k cap in dot product I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. So 1 plus 4 plus 3 lambda. That is called what? Pi plus 3 lambda b dot n. The b dot n is nothing but pi plus 3 lambda. And then the modulus b equal to root of 1 squared plus 2 squared plus lambda squared, and then 5 plus lambda squared. That is called what? Modulus b. The modulus n equivalent to the root of 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared. The root of 1 plus 4 plus 9, root 14. Root what? 14. That is what? Modulus n. Now we can write sin theta. What is the b dot n? Pi plus 3 lambda. Pi plus 3 lambda. What is the modulus b? 5 plus lambda square. The root of 5 plus lambda square. What is the modulus n? Root 14. Root 14. But in this problem, the cos theta equivalent to root of 5 divided by 14. But we want to sin theta. Of sin squared theta plus cos squared theta equal to 1. We want to sin theta. Of sin squared theta equal to 1 minus cos squared theta. What is the cos theta? 1 minus root of 5 divided by 14 whole square. Therefore 1 minus 5 divided by 14. Sin squared theta equal to 1 minus 5 divided by 14. The 14 minus 5 divided by 14. Therefore 9 divided by 14. But we want to sin theta root of 9 divided by 14. Therefore what? 3 divided by root 14. So sin theta equal to 3 divided by root 14. The sin theta equal to what? 5 plus 3 lambda. 3 by root 14. 5 plus 3 lambda. Root of 5 plus lambda square. Root of 14. Cancel to each other. 3 divided by 5 plus 3 lambda divided by 5 plus lambda square. 5 plus 1 lambda square. And then 3 into 5 plus lambda squared equal to 5 plus 3 lambda. So 9 into 5 plus lambda squared equal to 5 plus 3 lambda whole square. So 9 plus 5 plus lambda squared equal to 5 plus 3 lambda whole square. So 45 plus 9 lambda squared, 25 plus what? 9 lambda squared plus 30 lambda. Cancel to each other. Here 20 equal to 30 lambda. So lambda equal to 2 divided by 3. Lambda equal to what? 2 divided by 3. What is the problem here? The angle between the line x divided by 1, y minus 1 divided by 2, z minus 3 divided by lambda. On the plane x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 4 is the cos inverse the root of 5 divided by 14. The lambda is equal to the 2 divided by 2, 3 by 2 by 2, 2 divided by 5, 5 divided by 3, 2 divided by 3. This is getting answered. The D option should be correct. We know that the line should be write down r is equal to a plus lambda b. The plane should be write down r dot n equal to d. The angle between the line and plane in terms of in this form, sin theta equivalent b dot n divided by modulus b into modulus n. From the line I cap plus 2j cap plus lambda k cap. From the plane I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. In sin theta b dot n divided by modulus b into modulus n. So first should find out b dot n. The b dot n what? I cap plus 2j cap plus lambda k cap. N what? I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. So 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into lambda, 3 lambda. The b dot n equal to 5 plus 3 lambda. The modulus b equal to root of 1 square plus 2 square plus lambda square. The modulus b equal to root of 5 plus lambda square. And then modulus n. The modulus n equal to root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. The modulus n equal to root of 14. Then apply b dot n modulus b modulus n. Of sin theta equal to 5 plus 3 lambda divided by root of 5 plus lambda square root 14. In this problem, to given cos theta equal to root 5 divided by 14. We want to sin theta. One important trigonometry equation, the relations between sin and cos. Sin squared theta plus cos squared theta equal to 1. The sin squared theta equal to 1 minus cos squared theta. The cos theta what? Root 5 by 14 whole square. Therefore 1 minus 5 divided by 14. Sin squared theta equal to 1 minus 5 divided by 14. Sin theta equal to what? 9 divided by sin squared theta equal to what? 9 divided by 14. Sin theta equal to root 9 divided by 14. The sin theta equal to 3 divided by 14. Now we can apply the sin theta value. 3 by root 14, 5 plus 3 lambda, root of 5 plus lambda square root 14. So root 14 cancel. 3 equal to 5 plus 3 lambda divided by 5 plus lambda square. Cross multiply the squaring both sides. 9 into 5 plus lambda square, 5 plus 3 lambda whole square. 9 plus 5 plus lambda squared equal to 5 plus 3 lambda whole square. To multiply inside in the 9 in terms of 5 plus lambda square, 45 plus 9 lambda square is equivalent to a plus b whole square formula 25 plus 9 lambda square plus 30 lambda. So in both sides the 9 lambda square is common to cancel to each other. The remaining terms would be what? 20 equal to 30 lambda. So lambda equal to what? 20 divided by 30. Therefore 2 divided by 3. The option should be what? D option. The next problem, if alpha, comma beta, comma and delta, and what? Delta, or the angle between, or the angle between a straight line with a straight line with the diagonals of cube, the diagonals of what? Cube. Then sin squared alpha plus sin squared beta plus sin squared gamma plus what? Sin squared delta is equal to, is what? Equal to. The option should be what? 5 by 3 and 8 by 3 and 7 divided by 4 and none of these. None of this. So we know that cos squared alpha plus cos squared beta plus cos squared gamma plus cos squared delta equal to 4 by 3. The cos squared alpha plus cos squared beta plus cos squared gamma plus cos squared delta equal to what? 4 by 3. How to write cos squared alpha? The 1 minus sin squared alpha. This is how to write 1 minus sin squared beta. How to write 1 minus sin squared gamma plus 1 minus sin squared delta equal to what? 4 by 3. 4 by 3. So the 1. So 4 presents. Therefore, sin squared alpha plus sin squared beta plus sin squared gamma plus sin squared delta equal to 4 by 3. Equal to what? 4 by 3. Equal to what? 4 by 3. And then the 4 minus the 4 by 3 equivalent to sin squared alpha plus sin squared beta plus sine squared comma plus what? Sine squared what? Delta. The 12 minus 4 divided by 3 equal to sine squared alpha plus sine squared beta plus sine squared comma plus sine squared delta. So 8 divided by 3. 8 divided by 3 equal to the sine squared alpha plus sine squared beta plus sine squared comma plus sine squared delta. What is the question here? If alpha, beta, comma and delta are the angle between a straight line with the diagonals of cube, then the sine squared alpha plus sine squared beta plus sine squared comma plus sine squared delta is equal to 5 divided by 3, 8 divided by 3, 7 divided by 4, none of this. In general common formula, the cos squared alpha plus cos squared beta plus cos squared comma plus cos squared delta equal to 4 by 3. Again, very important, the trigonometric function relation between cos and sine. 1 minus sine squared alpha plus 1 minus sine squared beta plus 1 minus sine squared comma plus 1 minus sine squared delta equal to 4 by 3. The minus should be common. So 4 minus sine squared alpha plus sine squared beta plus sine squared comma plus sine squared delta equal to 4 by 3. Therefore, 4 minus 4 by 3 equal to sine squared alpha plus sine squared beta plus sine squared comma plus sine squared delta. 3 into 4 what? 12 minus 4 divided by 3 equal to sine squared alpha plus sine squared beta plus sine squared comma plus sine squared delta, so that the sine squared alpha plus sine squared beta plus sine squared comma plus sine squared delta equivalent to what? 8 by 3 in which option? The second option. This is correct option of this problem.